Hi there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are wanting to watercolor paint, I have an amazing travel set that I've been using on vacation. This is by URSOQ and it is a complete set and it is so fun to take with you. It comes with 24 different colors. It comes with 2 regular paintbrushes and then it comes with 3 that are travel with water in them. And then it comes with 2 amazing watercolor books for you. And it comes with this amazing little set that folds out so you can mix colors, add your colors, different colors, and it has a clip to hold it all together while you're traveling. This has been super cool. So we took a 3-week trip out west. We are about 1/3 through. And so whenever I see a beautiful landscape or a flower that I want to paint, I take a picture of it and then I can just paint it in my little travel log book. I am a beginner. I am not good at this at all, but it is so fun. Another super cool thing that my son came up with was since these paintbrushes have water in them to travel, I went to Lake McDonald at Glacier National Park today and I filled these up with water from the lake. So not only will my picture be of Lake McDonald, but the water I used to paint it will also be from Lake McDonald. I'm so excited to have a whole book full of cute little watercolors of our trip out west. So if you are wanting to watercolor paint, this is a great travel set to have with you at all times, but that's just my point of view.